So before we start today's video, I want you to see Aosunep. Ini ko ah. So I want you guys to check these badges out. So they're from Joyfinds, and thank you Joyfinds for sending me these. I got it for free because I'm promoting them. But then yeah, you guys can check them out. I'm putting their link on the description, and then the quality is like so good, shiny. I wanted to print this because I had a car crash last time, and then this is that. Then yeah, the quality is too good. And then screenshot here somewhere of their Instagram page. So yeah, let's go with the video now. Peace. So welcome back to another video of riding and talking. As you guys can see, I'm already riding. I'm already on the highway, and then you can see Aosunep in front of me. And if we turn back, we have Wapang. And then yeah, I wasn't planning to make a video, but then friends were like, chill na, kali portion to power lang na po exam aze. So actually ben shit, so because of that we're going to a place where I've not visited yet. I mean, I'm sure you guys must have visited it or not, but we are going to Seithekema Old Village Viewpoint. I don't know if that's how we call it, but yeah, we're going there. I have no idea how the roads are gonna be, but let's hope that there will be good roads. And yeah, from Monday I have my exams, so I guess I won't be active during that time because it's written exams. And come on man, I have to be serious. I thought someone needed sight. So yeah, because of exams I won't be active much. But hey, exam bhi 3 din garne hai. We have only 3 subjects, so after that no more exams, chutti. And during that holiday, I don't know, let's see where we go exploring if I have the budget. Fine, money talks, right? Without you, you can't go anywhere. Here's Wapang. Huh? I don't know what he said, but yeah. Let me try something when they're both together nearby. I actually saw this at I don't know on whose vlog I saw, but I saw this thing somewhere, so let me try that. Hello po Sir Jamina. Hello po Sir Jamina. I want to take a screenshot. So yeah, if you guys want to add my friends, then pause.
So the one riding the R15 is Wapang, and the one on the NS200 is Aosunep. So I'll put up their screenshot of their account, and then also the link on the description. So yeah, you guys can add them up if you guys want.
And then I have never visited this Seithekema Old Village Viewpoint, and then I have no idea where the road is. But my friend comes up went, and then he was saying same like but waterfall la. So then so ki ke ki nahi, kya hoga kya nahi hoga dekha jayega. It's been so long I didn't ride my bike. I mean, I did ride it, but I didn't ride it in the highway. So all of rusty feeling is since it's been so long without riding on the highway. Okay, now we have to take a right turn here somewhere. We have to search for that. Even I don't know the intersection. Okay, the weather is nice, the view is nice. Let's see how it is from up there. Oh, there's the road. उपाय नहीं सत्य अंदो दबाई ना जाए ऐसे. Okay, we take the climb from up here. If what Kamzuk showed me is right, then we take the climb from up here. रास्तामा में बिहान हो गए कमजोर पाको होइले बे साबा दो ठिकै छ इट्स फाइन They are arriving. I wish that the roads are like this only, not that bad and like topish. I feel like we're going to Tikurjama. If you guys watch my old video, then you'll know which place I'm talking about.
Moments later.
Oh, bali zalop.
मौत को छू के टक से वापस आ सकता.
Wow, olappa. Olappa! Oh my god, I nearly fell down. Oh my god, my heart. It didn't be hard, not for me, okay? Not for me getting hurt, but then wala bike la fairing score na. Asiwa jo, pichu na sa ho jado. This is boring. Yeah, bike later in the I'm sure. Whoop, whoop. Oh, you guys can already see his little whoop, whoop, whoop. Risky. Dikhina hai. You guys can see a little bit of view here. Sheesh. For balala ko. Itu waterfall lah je. Oh, itu waterfall je. Waterfall na? Ira ba je? Itu kiba viewpoint jauh lagi. Mui rasa na, ah? Mui rasa na je deh. Hulu waterfall lah rasa na je. Ira ba je kuche. Mana dikhile uti sawa? I think the roads are good from here. Yeah, they're fine. Not the best, but chalega. Not the best, but minimum requirements for a sports bike like us. Okay, after crossing the waterfall road, this road is like much better than what we came from. So yeah, I am verifying that the roads are good here now. I'm getting a little chilly.
A few moments later.
Rasta ko nagi hudu ko sila kumbinay. So upor dyan na hudi sa since there's a church up there. Rastaban. Rastaban na sa Rastaban na sa Growler na ban hai ha kudi so ye ravi dikhe kile ha chalo chalo hodi sao kile le 4 lane man na dikhe na nale uthi nai na jai bare gari an tha to sorong khaya ठीक है ये तो व्यू पॉइंट तो कितने बजे है ना 2 किलोमीटर है और रास्ता बंद है ना सब व्यू पॉइंट दो हाँ ठीक है थैंक यू Hadi. 오 얘들 이제 배라 다 가져와서 이제 어디 사와 Okay, thought we were gonna call Kamzuk, but yeah, I think it's this one. Yeah, it's this. Ito hell, ito sir. Woo! What was that? So I guess we took that way and we came, or I have no idea which road we took, but yeah, we came from there somewhere. Doesn't it? So we came from there. Oh, the waterfall though, the waterfall like that. Uta dikhe na tina. Edo kya aza? Ki gule? Power se. Oh, muza. Uta tree house hai balo las na. Bora ti to. Edo at sunset sa wale muza thaga. I don't know if this view is visible on the GoPro, but then it doesn't do much justice to what we're seeing with our eyes. Oh, toilet is the. Oh, pani is the chupa to do. Really, no pani. I was born this way. Not an easy task to reach here with our bikes, but we did, and you guys can check the view here. Ooh! Oh, wow! Chamal la kya hi dikhe the bridge to. Oh, bridge to. Chamal la uthina tha to. Wahan putaro. Oi.
Oh my god. We sure did come pretty far, yeah. Then I guess that's Patkai. Hey, Patkai la tree house with the kids though. Utu. Rasa the kids na? Not bad. Not a bad climb. Totally worth it.
A few moments later.
This is pretty much it for the video. If you guys watched till here, then thank you so much.